At saka kasama po natin ngayon ang mga stars of the day na si Ate Maymay at si Edward.
Na ang Mayward.
Mayward. Okay.
So guys, kumusta naman ang out-of-town shows ninyong dalawa?
It's like the mall shows. Parang mall shows.
Mall shows. Yeah.
Crazy. Now there's a lot of people.
Oh my gosh, a lot of people.
De, pero
Like how many?
kanina ko pa sila
Mga 5.
Oh, go DJ!
kanina ko pa sila tinatanong kamusta naman ang na nakalabas na kayo at ito na kayo. Kumusta buhay? Masaya kayo?
Saya po, marami tao, tapos kanta-kanta everywhere, picture-picture,
Masaya ka?
Oo, tapos, yun po, masaya.
Di ka na nakapagsalita. Meron kayong di ba yung follow?
Ay, opo, follow the link.
Ano follow the leader?
Follow the leader.
Di follow.
Anong feeling na since nakalabas na kayo ng bahay, kung saan man kayo magpunta, tinitilian kayo ng mga tao, lahat ng tao nakatutok sa inyo, at nakapanibago ba?
Opo, sobra. Kung magsabi mong pagbabago, ito na yun.
Alam mo, ang cute ito si Maymay. Nag-uso nga kami kanina at sinabi ko sa kanya, napaka-cute at napaka-bait niyang talagang tao.
Si Kuya Jacob ito.
Anong mga na-enjoy nyo ngayon? Ngayon na nakalabas na kayo ng PBB House. Siyempre, nakapanibago, tulad na sinabi mo. So, what changed from yung buhay nyo noon sa ngayon?
Buhay ko noon po, kasi kami yung pinapasaya, yung tumitingin ako sa TV, ako sumasaya. Ngayon po, ay isa na ako sa nagpapasaya, parang ganun po.
Ikaw naman, bro.
Oh man, if I was in Germany right now, I'd be studying for exams. So I'd be in school learning, and I can't tell you how happy I am to be here right now because I don't have to do that. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't study in school. Just go, keep on learning.
Don't get the wrong
but
idea. Don't get
it's
the wrong
not fun.
idea.
So how was it going back to your hometowns, right?
Oo, kasi si Darren, laging nararanasan yan. He's always here in the Philippines to work, pero lagi ito nakakauwi ng Canada. So, ikaw naman, did you miss, Germany?
No, we didn't go back to Germany.
How do
You
you
haven't,
feel
but you
about
miss
going
it?
back to La Union?
I went back to La Union. That's where I come every Christmas to see my family.
Okay.
So I got to go back to La Union. We got to surf.
That's nice, yeah.
And
Is it surf season now in Lonion?
Sorry?
When did you go back?
Was it last week?
Last week.
Earlier this week?
Earlier this week?
Yeah,
Is it
earlier
surf season now in Lonion?
Yeah, I don't know.
So malakas yung alon ngayon.
Yeah, we had rough waves when we went back.
Okay.
How about you, Bo? When you went back?
Lang po namin, kakabalik na namin kanina. Opo, kagaling namin sa CDO. Ang kagabi pala yun. Ang nangyari, marami tao. Tapos, nakita ko yung mga ka-roommates ko, schoolmates ko, punta kami sa school,
Ano
sila
sabi nila
mayor,
ngayon
sila-
nung nakita ka nila?
Masayang-masaya ako. Sobrang masayang-masaya ako. Maraming surprises na nangyari. Mga fireworks and everywhere. Tapos, nakita po, sir. Tapos, masaya kasi nakabalik ako sa kung ano talaga ako noon. Para mapapaisip ka sa mga nangyayari noon sa buhay mo.
Tama, totoo yan.
Go. Kisses.
Maraming gusto malaman to. Kanina pa, may tanong na ano daw yung mga bago nyong discovery sa isa't isa since lagi kayong magkasama sa shows, lagi kayong magkasama everywhere
syempre,
you
kasi
go.
hindi maiiwasan yun, no? Na halos araw-araw kayo magkasama. Syempre, nagkakabuo na ba ng personal relationships inyong dalawa?
Mas nagiging close
Actually,
friend
dapat
po
iba
kami.
yung title ng show natin. Hindi siya chill. Ano to Tonight with Boy
Hot
Abunda.
seat.
Ay, hindi. Diego Lochaga talaga.
Kaya mga grabe ko.
Hindi ka ba yun? Sorry. Hindi naman, as friends, of course.
Ay, sobra po. Nag-close friend kami. Sobra. Mas nakilala pa po namin yung sarili namin. Kaming tatlo. Kasi every time na kapag nag-home kami, mas nakikilala pa namin yun kung sino talaga si Kisses, kung sino po talaga si Edward.
Kasi kung saan kayo, yung
Pinanggalingan namin.
Yeah,
Opo.
that's
Yeah,
the
we
word.
found out I found out who Kisses and Maymay were before they got
Opo.
Entered PBB
entered
House.
Opo.
Grabe. Ang galing talaga. Iba talaga po yung chemistry talaga sa bahay ni Kuya. No? Laging parang isang pamilya kayo. That's really sweet. So, kung babalik naman kayo
Wait
sa bahay...
lang, bago tayo magpatuloy, nanonood live ngayon from the US of A, si Kuya Jerome.
Kuya Jerome.
Kuya Jerome.
Jerome Pabokan.
Hindi.
Esquera.
Esquera.
Kuya Jerome, hi ka lang.
Hi ka.
Hi, Kuya Jerome.
Kuya
Hi, Kuya
Jerome.
Jerome.
Hello, Kuya Jerome.
Ayan, I love you.
Miss you.
I love
Si
you.
Kuya
Mama Chup Chup.
Jerome, di yung natatanong ang
love
dati
you.
nating catering dito.
Hindi!
AP natin siya.
Boss natin, pero
natin dito.
ang magandang,
Hello, Jerome.
ang balita daw, may bagong jowa.
Yun ang gusto natin. Si
Kaya na
Uncle
si USA.
Sam.
Sabi ko,
Si Uncle
papalitan
Sam.
na yung title
Uncle
nito
Sam
eh.
ang jowa.
Alright.
Very well.
Ingat po kayo dyan, Kuya Jerome. Okay, mabalik po tayo.
Okay, so salamat. Salamat
Isa
mga
pang
kuya.
katanungan.
Namimiss po namin kayo pag tinatawag nyo kaming mag-opening na. tapos
Mag-open na
natataranta kami.
guys! Bilisan nyo
Oo,
na!
bilisan nyo.
Eto na oh! Oh, so,
So,
sorry.
yung isa pang
Balik
katanungan.
tayo sa sa usapan natin kanina. Kung babalik naman kayo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, sinong isasama mo? Dun sa
Kahit
loob?
sino po.
Family
Oh, kahit
or
sino. Kahit
friend
family,
or
kahit friends.
colleague?
Yeah.
Who would you
Ha?
bring with you
Eh,
in PBB
Ito,
house if you were to come back?
Sabihin mo sa mic. May sinasabi si Maymay. Ha? I'll be there already.
Kasama
Miss-
man yan sila para...
We'll be there.
Sino?
Go.
Opo, okay lang? Kung sana, bibigyan ng pagkakataon na naman si Enrique ba? Housemate
time
talaga siya,
around.
hindi yung bisita lang, 1 hour lang.
Wag yung one day lang talaga.
Opo,
Yung buong time
yung buong
talaga sana kasama siya. Si Enrique
Susulahin mo
Hill
si
daw.
Enrique.
Si Enrique Hill. Ikaw naman bro. Sinong gusto mo makasama sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya?
I bring back probably my two, apart
Huwag
from
mo
these
sabihin
two.
si Elijah Soberano naman.
No, hindi. Not this time, not this
Hindi,
time.
may sinasabi kasi sa akin kanina eh.
Secret, guys.
Okay.
I would bring back probably the two boys I was closest to during the house, Marco and Marco and Young. Sorry. So yeah, they were my brothers inside the house. So.
Bros.
Sweet. Kailangan, wait. Kailangan hindi housemate. It has to be someone
Someone from your
from your,
family,
from your family,
friends,
or
or-
maybe from your past life before you
Yeah.
entered the PBB house.
My sister.
Why?
Because
Very
if
pretty.
if it was my sister and I, that would be so much,
Komportable ka?
yeah. Because
You feel more at home, parang
Opo.
ganun.
yeah, I mean she would make a lot of challenges easier. When I had the big jump challenge, she was there with me, and I wouldn't have won if she wasn't there. So she's very calming when I'm there. So yeah.
Kayong dalawang ba, magkapatid sa family nyo?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
so
it.
you grew up with your sister, so yeah, okay. I
My best friend
understand
as well.
that. Oh, that's really sweet. That's really sweet. Ikaw naman, Kisses, of course, I'm gonna ask you na rin, kung meron kang may isasama dun sa, sa bahay ni Kuya, sino yun? Na hindi galing sa PBB house. Someone from your past life. Sino?
Feeling ko isasama ko yung daddy ko
Oh.
para ma-experience niya yung PBB house. Gusto ko makita yung reaction niya kung paano siya mag-live
Yung mga
sa
tasks,
bahay na
yeah.
puro teenagers.
Oo
Kasi
nga.
medyo din yung
Ayan,
bagets-bagets.
Messy.
So yeah, my dad.
So, kay Edward naman, sinong favorite, okay, sorry. Sing a favorite Christmas song na ala Chipmunk?
Oh,
Bakit?
Chipmunk!
Hidden talent mo yun. Sorry,
Go,
hindi
Edward.
hindi ko alam yun.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to run in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
So
Ang
cute!
galing Kung gumawa sila ng album ng Chipmunks na Pinoy version, pwede kang i-cast
Voice
para sa
actor.
voice actor. Galing. So, guys, again, I'd like to thank you, and I'm hoping
Thank
the
you so
best
much.
for your career. I'm happy I got to meet you guys here sa Asset Chill Out. Maraming salamat. And of course, guys, maraming pang mga pasabog dito sa Asap Chill Out. Just wait sa pagbabalik ng Asap Chill Out!